Hi, I'm Julia Skillern, the Dean of Students at Deer Creek. This is my 20th year in education, my 15th at Deer Creek, and now my 6th year as Dean. While I am responsible for addressing disciplinary, safety, and attendance concerns, I find that my job is really more often about helping students, parents, and teachers work through problems and just other situations that they have going on. Being the Dean is a position that I enjoy very much and really try to use as a way to support and guide students to grow from positive choices and learn from their mistakes. I believe it is important for a student to take ownership and responsibility for their actions, repair the damage or harm that is caused, and then change and learn for the future. Own it, fix it, change it is a phrase that I use often with students. If your student does have a problem or needs to talk about anything, please have them reach out. The school counselors and I do work together to provide a support system for your child. As we can't be together right now, this will be a brief remote view of some of the student expectations and protocols that we follow at Deer Creek. The topics in this presentation are just a few of the many expectations and policies for the school and the district. So please follow along and make sure you reach out if you ever need anything. Thanks so much.